Oh, my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 14.1. In this exercise, we are having the different methods for calculating mean. We are having three methods here: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. But the CBSE this time has erased the step deviation method from the syllabus. So in this exercise we will follow only two methods, that is direct and assumed mean method. So first question, what is given in the first question: a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. In this question we have to calculate mean. So as I have discussed that we are having two methods. First one is the direct method and the second one is the assumed mean method. So where we have to apply the direct method and where we have to apply the assumed mean method. So here I am going to do this question with the direct method only, because the values of Fi and these intervals are the values are very small, so it can be easily solved with the help of direct method. So what will we do? These two things are given in the question: number of plants and number of houses. Number of houses are frequency, so I am taking it as Fi, and Xi. What is the meaning of Xi? Xi is the class mark, and what is the formula for finding the class marks is Xi equals to upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. So when I am checking this interval 0 and 2, 0 is the lower class limit and 2 is the upper class limit. So we will add these two. 2 plus 0 is 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, we will get Xi as 1. Similarly, upper class limit is 4, lower class limit is 2. 4 plus 2 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Similarly, this is a continued class interval. Continuation is there. The difference is 2, difference is 2, difference is 2. In all the intervals the difference is 2. So you can check that with the difference of 2 you can increase these values and you are getting the class mark. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13. So you can check also. 6 plus 4 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 6 plus 8 14 divided by 2 is 7. Similarly, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 divided by 2 is 9, 10 plus 22, 12 is 22 divided by 2 is 11, 12 plus 14 is 26, and that is divided by 2 is 13. So by this method you can calculate the class mark of any interval. And in the next part I have to calculate Fi multiplied by Xi. I have to multiply the individual values with the corresponding individual value. Means 1 multiplied by 1 I am getting 1, 2 multiplied by 3 I am getting 6, 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, 5 7 is the 35, 6 9 is the 54, 11 2 is the 22, 13 3 is the 39. And what about the mean formula? With the direct method I can calculate the mean, that is, it is denoted by X bar is summation of Fi Xi. This is the summation sign. Fi Xi means the sum of all the values come under this column in Fi Xi upon summation Fi. So summation Fi means I will take the sum of all the values that come under this column Fi. So I will add all these values. It will be after calculating 7, 5, 12, 17, 21, 23, 32. It will be then 16, 162, and here I will calculate all these values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 15, 5, 20. It will be 20, and I am going to write the total here. So fi summation of fi the value is 162, and summation of fi the value is 20. So the formula of direct method is summation fi upon summation of fi. After calculating it, after dividing it, I am getting the value as 8.1. And find the mean number of plants per house. Therefore the mean number of plants per house is 8.1. That is my answer. I have followed this method because the value of fi, you can check the values, these are small, and corresponding the value of xi are also small. If you are having the bigger value, for example the two digit numbers are there or 3 digit numbers are there, so at that time we will apply the assumed mean method. And this was my question number 1 of the exercise 14.1. Wait for my next video for my further questions. Thank you very much.